Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is Be Kind to Animals. Today's lecture 3, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children. So, under the title of pronunciation skills, today we learn about vowels and consonants, page number 7 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 1, unit 3, I have already taught you about vowels and consonants. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to practice further to recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabets. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The name of Allah starts with letter A, and A is the first letter of English alphabets and it is a vowel letter. You see, my dear children, subhanallah, Allah's name also starts with the first letter of English alphabets, and that's A, and A is a vowel. So how do we find out vowels and what are rest of the letters? We'll find today. Let's start with the letters. We recognize all these letters. So let's start with the English letters song. Do you remember ABC song? So let's recite it again. Yes. Are you ready? Recite it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? It's ever fun to recite this poem. So, my dear children, now we know all the letters. A to Z, we know them, we know their sounds, we recognize capital and small letters. So, what's next? The next is we differentiate them. We separate 5 letters from all the alphabets and we name them vowels. And which letters are those? A. The first letter is A. A is a vowel. Then E. E is a vowel. Then I. I is a vowel. And O. O is a vowel. And U is a vowel. So when we take these 5 vowels from English alphabets, the rest of these letters are consonants. Altogether, there are 26 letters from A to Z. When we take these 5 letters separate, we name them vowels. And these 21 letters which are left here, they are known as consonants. So, 5 vowels and rest 21 are consonants. Right? This is how. And how do we practice it? We practice it like this. You stretch your hand and say it. A, B, oh sorry, it's not B, we are talking about vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. So this is the way you can practice A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels letters. And when we take these vowels from all the letters of English alphabets, the rest 21 from B to till Z, rest 21 letters are consonants. Are you clear? Okay. So let's practice it from your book. It's on page number 7. All of you open your book on page number 7. Consonants and vowels. Here it's written, English alphabets A, E, I, O, U are vowels and B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. Okay. A, E, I, O, U, these are vowels and rest are consonants. This is how we recognize them. Now what you will do? You will encircle the vowel sounds in the following words. You will read these words and you will encircle, means you will make a circle on vowels. Like sweep. So there are 2 times vowels, so I will circle it 2 times, E and E. Wall. Climb. The I is a wall. So in this way, you will practice on this page. Pause the video and enjoy practicing it. Yes, are you done with it? Okay, so next practice is again on page number 7, question 4. Underline the consonant sounds in the following words. Now you will just underline which sound? Consonants. So I am going to read it. Teacher. So here T is consonant, E and A both are vowels, so I leave them. CH again, it's consonant, E again vowel, leave it, and R is consonant. In this way, you will keep reading the word and just underline the consonant sound. Pause the video and complete this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Now you are well versed with practice of vowel and consonants. Good. I'm giving you a homework. You will write words starting from each alphabet. Okay. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are there. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And students, what you will do? All the letters are here. You will say the sound. You will color the vowel as red and consonants as green. Okay, so what we have learned today, we recognize and identify vowels and consonant letters in English alphabets, and we practiced to recognize and identify vowels and consonants. In this way, we achieved our SLO, that is to recognize and identify consonants and vowels in English alphabets. Are we done with it? Yes, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.